In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove a header in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a form for work, school, or a personal project, a custom header can make your form stand out and look more professional. Let's dive into the process. First, navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't used it before, Google Forms is a versatile tool that lets you create surveys and quizzes with ease. Once you're there, open the form where you want to add or change a header. If you're starting fresh, you can simply create a new form. Once your form is open, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Customize Theme. This step is crucial as it opens up a wealth of options for personalizing your form. Now, once you're in the customization section, find and click on Choose Image. This option allows you to browse through Google's extensive library of images, including illustrations and photographs, giving you plenty of options to find the perfect header for your form. Simply click on the image that fits your style or theme. Once you've picked out your desired image, select it and click on Insert. This will immediately apply the image as the header for your form. Remember, a well-chosen header can set the tone for your entire form, so take a moment to review how it looks. If everything fits the way you intended, congratulations! You've successfully added a header to your Google form. However, what if you change your mind? Or perhaps you want to try a different header image from your computer? No problem, just click on Image again. Here, you can either browse the Google library once more or choose an image directly from your computer. If you have the perfect image sitting on your desktop, click Upload to bring it into your form. If you've uploaded images before, you can find them under Photos. Select the one that suits your current needs. But let's say you've decided that no image suits your form, and you want to remove the header altogether. It's as simple as clicking the X icon on the image you've uploaded. This action will remove the header image, returning your form to a clean default style. So there you have it, a simple, quick guide to adding and removing headers in Google Forms. Whether you're looking to make a striking first impression or just want a consistent, clean look, these customizable options allow you to tailor your forms precisely. Remember, the visual aspect of your form can be just as important as the information you're collecting, so take your time to choose or modify your header to reflect the nature of your form perfectly. Happy form creating!